practicing flying. Woohoo! Ow! Get off!
I really don't know where the attitude came from.
No climbing.
She does not like being told no.
You can't have chocolate. I'm sorry. It's bad for birds.
She gets cranky with me. It's on another level. But when I first took her in, she was just like this sweet little angel. Manky is a wild bird. 5 or 6 years ago, she would just come and visit, and she already looked funny. Her beak was really long, her feathers were like really bad. So I did a bit of research and realised that it was PBFD. So one night I just said, oh, okay, I guess I'm just going to take her in now. And so I got some really thick blankets for her and have her food and everything. And she's improved. The attitude appeared out of nowhere. And I think we found each other.
Muffin. Muffin. She thinks herself as human only. She likes to get attention.
She's not speaking. Oh.
But she landed out of nowhere. It was a rainy day and I was going to the gym. I saw this very little bird. I was looking around, is there a broken nest nearby or some mama bird trying to get their baby? And after 2 hours I came back, the bird was still there. So I just got this baby bird with me. So I used to use the forceps that I use in the hospital and feed her. And after like 2-3 days, she started opening her eyes. Slowly, she started gaining strength. Then it was just some random day when she was sitting on the cage and she took a leap. We were also scared that she might fall or something, but she started flying on her own. She was very happy. I'm giving her an option. If she wants to be free, she's free. But she chooses not to go.
Hi. What you doing there? You want some food? You do?
I used to work on a desk which was next to this window, and there was this crow that started coming and cawing every day, and it was so annoying. It's really funny because he came again,
Charlie.
and then he never left. But one day he didn't come and I was kind of worried. And then I saw him sitting at the window. His right foot was bent. The whole group of crows gathered around Charlie and they started attacking him. And I thought he wouldn't survive. But somehow he did. Over the next few months, his foot finally healed. Now, when he sees me, he always bows. Some crows are known to leave gifts. Sometimes I'll find some object that they leave behind for me. Slowly, he really wooed me.
One day, my friend told me that she found this little bird lying on the floor, but she couldn't keep it. So we said, yeah, we want to help, and we took Chibi home.
In the beginning, the only plan was to just release it when it starts flying. We were feeding her with the tweezers, and it was visible progress daily. One day she started yelling and singing.
Hey, Chibi, What a voice.
When she started flying, we realized we have to let her go.
She immediately flew away, and we thought, okay, this is it. But it was less than a minute, and Chibi was back on Adish's shoulder.
You can see the level of trust when she falls asleep on your leg. And her personality really developed. She's playful.
And we go out almost every day.